Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to keep the Norton VPN on all the time on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Norton VPN app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Menu at the bottom of the screen. This screen shows all the protection features on your iPhone. On the menu screen, tap on VPN. If it's off, tap Connect and wait until you see Connected. Inside the VPN screen, look for Auto Connect or VPN preferences. Tap on Auto Connect. Now turn Auto Connect on. The settings allow Norton VPN to automatically turn on by itself whenever your iPhone connects to the internet. If your iPhone shows a message asking for permissions, tap Allow, enter your passcode or use Face ID if needed. This helps keep the VPN running in the background. And that's it. You have successfully set Norton 360 VPN to stay on all the time on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.